In today's really fun and easy video, I'm going to show you how to make some amazing cookies, and I promise you, you're going to try these out and you're going to fall in love with them. For our recipe today, we're going to need 150 grams of all-purpose flour, 50 grams of ground almond powder,
114 grams of salted butter,
1 gram of ground cinnamon, 1 large egg, and 75 grams of granulated white sugar. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. To start off our recipe, I have placed my salted butter into a large bowl, and very important, this butter must be very, very soft. And then I'm going to bring in my mixer, and as soon as I turn on my mixer, you can see how soft this butter is. That's good. And then my granulated sugar. Let's just get all of that in there. And now I want to cream that sugar with the butter. So you can increase your mixer. And then we're going to add in our egg. And this egg will help with the creaming process. It's going to add a little bit more moisture, and it's going to bring all of this together. So my mixer is on high speed right now. You can see how nice that is. It's getting really fluffy, and you can also see the color has lightened right up. So let's just clean off our beaters. That's good. And then we're going to sift our almond powder. I'll get my cinnamon in. And then all of our flour. And then I'm just going to push all of this through. Breaking it through the sieve will get all the little pieces a little bit smaller. Once no more will go through, then I can just dump that in. I'm going to grab my mixer. Speed number 1. I do not want to over mix. Okay, that's good. I just want to go up on the sides. And that's it for this recipe. Now I'm just going to increase my mixer. Get all of that off. At this point, I'm just going to grab a little bench scraper and just bring all of this down. So let's just get this into some plastic wrap. So just get all of your dough up right into the middle of a piece of plastic. Get all of your dough. That's good. Flip your plastic wrap over and then push. You can see all the nice little specks in there of the cinnamon. And then I just bring it over so we don't get any air. And you can now leave this for about an hour in your fridge and then bring it back out and roll it out. Or you can leave it for a day. It doesn't really matter, but leave it in your fridge to rest for a good hour. And that's what I'll do now. So here we are again. I let my dough chill down and relax in the fridge for about 2 hours. And now I brought it out about 10 minutes ago, and I can already feel that it's starting to become pliable. So we're just going to open it up. You want to work with this when it's more on the chilly side. And to make this really easy, I'm just going to start with little pieces of it. I'm going to get that down, move this to the side. I'm going to do the entire batch, but for the video, I'm only going to do a few of the cookies. So we'll get that on there. I'm just going to get a little bit on here. And then we'll roll it out. And if you don't want to use a little bit of flour, you can take your dough and roll it between 2 pieces of plastic. I have a nice little cookie cutter here. This is made by Silicomart, and it just happens to be a traditional French cookie cutter type that goes really well with this cookie. So I'm just going to cut some of these out. Just get a little bit of flour on here. So I'm starting to build my little tray of cookies here. I'll just want to show you what these are like. And at this moment right now, I do have my oven set, preheating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I wasn't going to film this portion because I do want to keep my videos a little bit shorter. But I just wanted to show you what they look like before you remove them off your tray. These look amazing and they smell really good. And if you look really closely, you can see that they held their shape really nicely. No chilling. I did not put these into the fridge. So you cut them out and right into the oven. 350 degrees Fahrenheit, exactly 10 minutes. I time everything. Now that my cookies have completely cooled, I've zoomed in just to show you these a little closer up. Hopefully you can see how nice these are. And I'll just spread some out here so you can see them. And you can hear they're nice and crispy. Look at this. And I like them like this. Just a little bit of browning on the edges. And I'll flip one over. And you can see how thin these are. Very, very thin. Hopefully you can see that. So let's just snap into one of these. And I can smell that cinnamon in there. Amazing. Listen. Did you hear that? You want to store these in an airtight container to keep them nice and crisp. Listen. Amazing. You're going to try these one time. You will fall in love. I guarantee it. I'm going to go for a little bite. Beyond amazing. I can't tell you how good these are. Yum. So I'm just going to dip a few of these into some chocolate. I have some dark chocolate here. This is tempered. I'm going to grab a cookie. Let's just go in at an angle here. Just do something a little different. I think the triangle will look nice. So I'm just going to let this drip off. I'll lift it up so you can see this a little bit better. Just give it a little bit of a shake. Tilt it backwards. And then right onto our little silicone mat. So I'll do another one. This is not necessary. These cookies are amazing without the chocolate, but if you want to have a little bit, more wow factor to your cookie, then you can do that. And also you can sprinkle a little bit of salt on there. A little bit of sea salt would be nice just before they set up. This chocolate is tempered, so it'll take about 4 to 5 minutes and then we'll already start seeing it set up. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. That's it for today, and I'll catch you on the next one.
And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.